Let's enjoy some chicken stir fry. I have 2 chicken breasts which I'm going to wash and slice thinly. You could also use chicken thighs. For the longer strips, I'm just going to slice those in two. Season however you like. I'm using some all-purpose salt and a black pepper. And while that marinates, I'm going to wash and prep the vegetables, including this piece of zucchini before it goes bad. Remember that you can use whatever vegetables that you like. Next, I'm going to make my easy, low-sodium, flavorful sauce because in my household, we try our best to monitor our sodium intake. Then I'm going to blanch my broccoli while I saute the vegetables for a minute, then add the broccoli and zucchini within the last minute. Saute the chicken for 1 to 2 minutes and add the aromatics within the last seconds, which I did forget to add, but it still came out great. Pour in the sauce, simmer a bit, then add the vegetables and let everything come together for another 2 to 3 minutes. This makes a great, quick and easy meal, and it's also wonderful for meal prep. Details are below, and as always, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.